So here's another SAT prep question from an SAT prep book. And in this particular problem, there's no multiple choice, right? So there's no multiple choice. So we just have to solve the system of equations. You can tell it's a system because it's got two equations, x plus y equals -9 and x plus 2y equals -25. So we want to solve for x and y, right? There's a couple different ways we could do this. With a problem like this, I would use the elimination method, right? Elimination meaning I'm going to eliminate one of the variables. So I decide which variable I'm going to eliminate. I can eliminate the x's or the y's. I'm going to just do the x's. So the way to eliminate the x's is by doing this. I need to change this x to a -x. So therefore, I have to multiply this whole entire equation by -1. And I can do that mathematically. You could have multiplied the bottom equation by -1. That would have had the same effect because after you do that, this becomes a -x. And then you got -x plus x either way. So the x's cancel out or they're eliminated. Hence the term elimination method, right? So I'm gonna draw a horizontal line like this, and I'm gonna do the multiplication, basically distribute the -1. I'm gonna have -x minus y equals +9. The bottom equation stays the same. It doesn't change. I'm not multiplying that by anything. So I got x plus 2y equals -25. And then I just add the top equation to the bottom equation by adding like terms. -x plus x is 0. And that's why it's called the elimination method, because I just eliminated these x's. -y plus 2y equals y. 9 plus -25, or 9 minus 25, is -16. So that's our y value. Then we got to go back and find the x value, since we eliminated the x's when we first started the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this original equation. I could pick either one of these original equations. I'm going to pick the top one. And I'm going to do x plus -16 equals -9. X plus -16. I should have just wrote x minus 16 to keep things simple. So x minus 16 equals -9. And then I solve for x by adding 16 on the left side and adding 16 on the right side. So I got x equals 7. So my x value is 7, my y value is -16. And what you can do is, with a problem like this, you can make sure that the answer is correct by checking your work, by plugging in this x value and this y value into both equations to make sure that it gives you a true statement.